So the goal of this conversation is to have immense value add to our audiences. The subject today is digital technology solutions in the domain of capital markets. Today, I have a very special guest with me, Mr. Mahesh Deshpande, CEO of Nozomi Infotech.
Thank you so much, Amitoj. We have been, connected. We have worked together, and it is my pleasure and privilege to be on your show. Thank you so much.
Many thanks, sir. You have been my senior and gave me opportunity in Tokyo to work for your company. And you yourself is a expert of global repute in the domain of capital markets. Having experience of nearly 30 years, and especially in the segment of algo trading and electronic trading systems, infrastructure, platforms, and softwares and other add-ons. So please, sir, let us know about your company and offerings and products.
Yeah, God is great with me, Amitoj. Things happened with God's grace. My company Nozomi Infotech, we are a registered software vendor on Tokyo Stock Exchange, Osaka Stock Exchange, Tokyo Commodity Exchange, Tokyo Financial Exchange. Our clients are large banks like HSBC, ABN AMRO, and we have built a platform for front office, middle office, back office. It's like trading, settlement systems for brokerage firms, that is sell side securities firms. We have office in Tokyo. That's a brief about my company.
So, sir, what are the salient services and softwares which you are engaging currently with your clients?
These are, the trading flow or the flow in a brokerage firm, which is called sell sides in a more technical language. This is about complex financial instruments like equities, futures options, commodities, futures options, index futures options. Then we have now the new world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So these are very complex financial products, and our software actually processes them. And inside a securities company, or which is another word, there are different words for the sell side or securities company, brokerage house, or investment bank. They are more or less same. So there are complex flow of softwares. So there are multiple vendors, and some are inbuilt softwares. We have built a software which actually can fit into any part of the whole flow. So be it front office system, be it a reporting system, middle office system, order capture, order management, fixed engine, market access, then settlements to different clearing houses. So it's a full range of products that we have.
Right. I know you from last 14 years, and it has been a learning experience for me, and very inspiring one. So I keep learning from your work. So I know that you started with the technology side of things, and as we matured and being in the industry and working for last 30 years, you have spread your offerings and is investor and mentor and in various areas of education as well, philanthropy, I know. So I know that your technology side has been always very strong, and it was also something which I got to learn from yourself. So being from the technology side, I think you are the genuine person to explain us, how the algo trading can help a business side of things.
Yeah, let me first tell you something about the algo trading. Algo is a short form of algorithmic trading. So algorithms are mathematical formulas to make trading decisions. So algorithms are used widely. Now, any exchange, whether it is New York Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, Mumbai Stock Exchange, the flow of algorithm has grown so much that almost 70% of the flow in any stock exchange is coming through algorithm. The advantage of using algorithm is that when you're dealing with a large amount of flow or continuous order flow, it is tiresome for human eyes and brain to process that information. Also, if you're keying in some orders manually, then there is a chance of making errors. So that's why the algos are used. So simplest algorithm is a slicer. So let's say you want to buy a large amount of stocks on Mumbai Stock Exchange. So if you put a large order, then the whole market will know that you're going to buy a large amount of stocks today. So there is a basic algorithm called slicer. So you define to the slicer that I want to slice the order of, let's say, 10,000 stocks by 100 lots. So it will be 100 slices of 100 lots, 100 quantity that's I'm referring to as lots. And then you'll say that, okay, I want to buy on low. So every low of the market, let's say every 5-minute low, I want to buy. So then the slicer will know that, will calculate last, let's say out of 1 hour, so there will be 12 candles of 5 minutes in 1 hour, 60 minutes. So we'll calculate the lowest point in the 1 hour. And when the market touches that low point, it will buy one slice. So it will continue to do slicing 100 times. And that's how your 100,000 stocks will be purchased. So this is one simple way. There are almost more than 1 million kind of strategies that you can devise using algorithm. So algorithm is like ocean. And now what we have developed another company which is called Macfin. It's a Japanese company. And the product of Macfin is an algorithmic software, so which trades in currencies. Currencies, FX or Forex, it's the same synonym for the same product. Currency meaning euro dollar, euro versus US dollar, or US dollar Japanese yen. So these kind of currencies we trade, and the software makes decisions on its own, and it keeps running. So if you buy a license for 1 month, it will run for 1 month. If you buy a license for 1 year, it will run for 1 year. And it's totally automated. There is only one button there, start, and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. It will take all the decisions to look at the market, and it will generate a profit for you.
Right. I mean, this tool is a very lethal tool, and it can deliver amazing results if rightly used. So the prospective clients, as I know, are very, high net worth individuals, mutual funds, investment banks. So they do understand this product and would engage accordingly. So it is a proud thing that I have opportunity to learn from yourself on these topics, and the country should be proud of your contributions and achievements. These are very technical and subjects which need a lot of understanding about various layers of technology, how they sync together, and how the things come about, the way they bring the results to the business and the end users. So it has been a very enthusiastic, always interacting with yourself and getting to learn. I know you have been working at a very senior positions with the global clients at a prime locations of banking like Tokyo, primarily where you are based, and in London and New York. People have been trusting. This industry is all about trust. And people assured about the dealing and delivery of people, since they rely you with a lot of credibility and the money or the earnings of their life or the clients, wherein the trust is the significant factor. I know people have been trusting for getting the deliveries and on the expiries, getting the expiries executed pretty much with the credibility, because these days systems are all online mostly. So how do you see your prospective clients, and how the business business processes are being fine-tuned by your products and services?
Yeah, using our product, there are various ways that people can engage with us. One is the We are looking at end clients. So end client, like a retail client, they can put in $1,000 and start using our algo. The second would be a broker where the brokerage firm or investment bank, all similar worlds of sell side. They can introduce our software product to their client because brokerage firm will already have clients and they're trading with currency markets. Then the third one would be a mutual fund, which is already getting client money and they're actually trading with their own ideas. So they can add one more idea using our software. The fourth one would be a reseller of the software, where a company could actually take our software and distribute to these 1, 2, 3 categories. And then going ahead, we are going to develop algos for different geographies. Like for example, in India, we're going to develop algo for stock options, and then in the US, we are going to develop algo for all kinds of options, stock options, index options, commodity options, and then wherever cryptocurrencies are, allowed. Crypto also there is the basic currency, so it's like our forex algo, but also they have also futures and options. So essentially, there are 3 products in every industry. There's a basic product like equity or stock, and then the stock future and stock option. Like similarly, crypto currency, crypto futures, and crypto options. So our company is going to grow, and we are going to offer different geographies, products, different asset classes, and also we are going to have a partnership with various types of investors. That's what I see as a bigger picture for our company.
I'm sure, because I have personal experience with yourself and I can vouch for that. And you offer a comprehensive broad range of consultancy, yourself being from technical background, and have put all the infrastructure, softwares, platforms, and every other add-ons which go with that. And also you are now on the business side. You understand nitty-gritty of business also. That ensures clients of a high-end comprehensive consultancy and dependability. So I'm very happy that we have got this inputs from yourself on our channel. And this is my first interview on my channel. You are trusting me with this. And it is kind of building a pressure on me also that I should carry this. And there is much more opportunity in this segment of capital markets and others to have a series with yourself and to continue like that on the same. So please let us know that what exactly, if anything, which is salient on this line, if we are missing something and could be crucial for financial investors, the way they can take forward consultancy from yourself.
So thank you so much. It is my privilege, and I also salute your viewers on your channel, because without the viewers, actually, you and me cannot exist. And so I thank you, everybody, and we will be in touch. And this subject is, as I mentioned, is like an ocean, so we can have a series, and you can also get FAQ, frequently asked questions, specific queries from the viewers of your channel, and then have a very deep dive into each subject, and we can have future episodes with this. And thank you so much, Amit.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I will do accordingly. Thank you for taking out time and guiding us and elaborating our audiences on the complex subject of capital markets. I thank you. Many thanks for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Many thanks.
In addition to this, let me show you mql5.com, which is automated forex trading strategy tester. So let's open the website. So there is this Signal software, again created by Infotech Limited. Now this is again expert service being offered on signal copy. So the people who know this can always check the performance as well of these softwares. EA Makefin, so is algorithmic trading robot software. And it shows the performance snapshots. Hope you guys liked our video. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video.